Have you ever felt overwhelmed by emotions and kind of wondered if mindfulness or psychotherapy maybe can help? And I'm saying them both together because they have loads in common. They are both tools that people work with for mental health, but they also are practices that generate or increase self-awareness. And this bit's quite a hard sell because actually it means that when you increase self-awareness, things might get a little bit worse before they get much better. It's almost like the soul or the being or the thing that is behind your eyes right now as you're watching this is like, you're looking at me. Oh, well, I've got all this stuff, by the way, and I'm going to let you know what it is. And that's pretty challenging. You might feel sadness, anger, anxiety, all of these kind of things might come up more intensely at first, but this is how it should be, because actually through feeling these things, you can heal these things. And that doesn't just rhyme, that's actually a real thing. It's part of the process. And this discomfort that you may experience is a positive sign that you're uncovering these deeper layers that may have been repressed for your whole life. And through this uncovering, you're also learning how to live with them. And that means that they'll stop becoming so overwhelming, which is kind of what started you on this process in the first place. But there's something else about this that's really, really interesting, because we are increasing our self-awareness, and the first thing we notice, and this is because we are kind of neurologically programmed or evolutionarily, whatever that word is, we are programmed through evolution to be more aware of dangers, and that can be manifested in difficult emotions. But over time, you're going to become more aware of positive emotions, of joy, of excitement, of ecstasy, of happiness, peaceful. All of these emotions are things that you will start noticing more because you are growing your awareness. Whatever happens, that will happen. It's part of the process. So if you are just starting and thinking, Christ, there's all this bad stuff that's here, know that you have to get through the bad stuff and then there will be good stuff. There's a reason why people have meditated for thousands of years. There's a reason why people stay in psychotherapy for years, because these things are things that work. They just have a really challenging curve at the beginning. By making things difficult and slightly unnerving at the start, they are also making space for things to change.